everyone, and welcome back to another What's for Dinner. This is What's for Dinner number 28. I am back to make you hungry again, and the first meal I have to share with you: slow cooker ranch pork chops, chicken flavored pasta side, and these sweet potatoes. They're like the sweet potato wedges that I make that I've done a video on, but just cut into smaller pieces. I only had a couple potatoes, so I just whipped them up like that. They're so good and easy to make. The ranch pork chops are absolutely delicious. Highly recommend trying that recipe. Next up, I don't know if this is just a southern thing or where else they eat this, but it is tomato and macaroni. So it is elbow macaroni, whole tomatoes and diced tomatoes and tomato paste. It's super easy, simple. I grew up eating this at my Mama Berthie's house, and John grew up eating this, and now from time to time we just make it sometimes, and it's a good little quick meal. It's very tasty. On this day I made homemade mashed potatoes, garlic and cheese biscuits, green beans, and meatloaf. Home cooking, so delicious, and it just reminds me of the 1950s. Meatloaf, mashed potatoes, green beans, such a great meal. Love meatloaf. Another recipe we really love in our house is chicken casserole. We love chicken casserole. It's super easy to make. Most of these meals I have a recipe video on, so definitely check out that in the kitchen playlist. It's linked in the cards and the description box. Cheddar sour cream, instant potatoes, green beans, and the chicken casserole. I make a big chicken casserole, lasts us for a couple days, and of course we have other leftovers with the green beans and potatoes, but it makes it super simple and easy when I'm cooking this all day to make some really quick sides with it. But it's so good. Chicken casserole is top. I made a brown sugar glazed ham, and usually we don't do like turkey or ham unless it's like special occasions, but there was some decently priced hams at Walmart, so I grabbed a couple to cook in the crock pot. I made this ham, which was absolutely delicious, with shells and cheese, and John wanted fried potatoes, so I fried some potatoes up. So good, so easy once again, because I just had to peel some potatoes, cook some macaronis, and throw that ham in the crock pot. Buffalo ranch chicken breast with macaroni and cheese and ranch potatoes. Those are instant potatoes, and we absolutely hated them. Just a heads up, I don't know, if you absolutely love ranch, you might love these. The taste, or well, the aftertaste of these is very off-putting. We weren't crazy about them. But buffalo chicken, fantastic recipe. If you like a little bit of spicy food, you might really love this recipe. And macaroni and cheese, you can't ever go wrong with that. And I just wanted to share this fun candy bar that me and Connor found at the Dollar General. It's a Spongebob SquarePants double crisp candy bar, and not only is the packaging absolutely adorable, the chocolate bar itself is super awesome. It actually has printed on it the characters of the show. So Mr. Krabs, Squidward, Patrick, SpongeBob, Gary, Sandy, there's jellyfish, even the SpongeBob SquarePants logo. So I thought that was really fun, and we had this for dessert. We just split it and shared it, and it was actually pretty decent chocolate. This is the one pan chicken meal, and this is so easy to make. One of my favorite go-to chicken dishes as well, because it is so easy. You just need a couple chicken breasts, some whole potatoes in a can, and green beans from the can, Italian seasoning, and some butter. You throw it in the oven and you forget about it for an hour. Yes, and yes, I do have a recipe on this. Super easy, tastes amazing. Definitely recommend trying this recipe out. And the last meal I have to share with you is the other ham that I was talking about. Walmart just had a really good prices on these, and it's another brown sugar ham. So I threw that one in the crock pot. I made some real mashed potatoes. We had stuffing, and we had shells and cheese. Like a comfort meal. It reminds me of the holidays, but this meal was so good. Comfort food is good anytime. You can't go wrong with it. So that's the last meal I have to share with you today. I hope that this video made you hungry. Don't forget to check out the description box as well as the cards for additional links and the In the Kitchen playlist. Definitely stay tuned for more What's for Dinner videos. Thank you so much for watching.